today we bought this sofa from Amazon, which cost around 3200 rupees. Now I'll just give you a quick unboxing so you guys can see how's the quality and is it worth it or not. So it cost only 3200, the cheapest from Amazon. So let's just unwrap it quickly and I'll show you how it is. Okay, so it looks like this, something like this, and we got 2 cushions with it. So the quality of the cushion is like this, very small, you can see my palm, you know? So let's just quickly place it and we will see how the sofa. Okay, so the quality of the sofa is like this. So it's not too big, but yes, one person can sit comfortably and 2 person can sit, you know. So, and the height is very short, as you can see. It's near about 1 feet from the ground, and that's how it is. And that's how you make it a bed, 6 feet long. It is not bad, it's good. So overall, what I would say, this is worth the money. If you consider the price, it is not bad, so it's good. So you can easily buy it. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and you know, check the videos. I do the true review of all the products, so you guys can understand whether you need it or not. So yeah, this is one good thing for the home, and it's very comfortable and you can easily carry it, very lightweight. Thank you guys, keep watching. Thank you. So yes, with the cushion on it, it looks like this. So you can see that.